All right, so this is the chair art set up. To break it down, you lift this up, pull that out, let that just drop. This is going to come up like this, and then what you're going to do is you're going to lift this up just like that, and that just slides in. Now it's ready to go. Now you can just take it wherever you want to take it. You see that? Now, once you get to wherever you're going, there you are, you slide this out first, bam. Then this comes out and it just sets in one of these little spots. I gotta pull it out of there, like that. That's for the arms. This we've already got locked on. This you pop up. If you want to just do standard, you put it on that little pipe there. Bam, here you go. Ready to do a massage. I'm ready for my massage. I'm ready for my massage. Let's go. All right, that's it. Right there, bam, massage chair. So that you guys can see it. Here's your one. You loosen this and it will loosen this and this, so you can change the pad and the height of this face pad. This under here, you got your choice. You can go in any one of these little ridges. I think this right here is fine. Over here it's the same thing. You can put it in this one here, which is that little square box, or if you want, you can have it a little bit higher so the person's on an angle. You follow me? But I would put it here, just like that. And again, to close the whole thing up, you pop this up, push that out like that, let it down. This one here you lift up, and this slides right in there like that. Then you just go up here, you grab this, pull it up, just like that. The whole thing comes up, just comes up like that. And now it's ready to go. You can just pick it up and carry it. It does come with a case. And that's it right there. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.